Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by using shortcuts to create a home screen calendar shortcut. Make sure iOS is up to date. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. You want to add an action now. Tap Add Action and search for Calendar. Pick an action that shows events or opens the calendar app. This defines what the home screen icon will launch. Don't pause. Create the core action first so you can design the icon and name next. Once the action is configured, you'll tailor how it appears on your home screen. Tap the shortcut settings, 3 dots to name it Calendar or your preferred label, then tap the icon to choose glyphs or a custom image. Pick a simple, readable design. Next, scroll or tap Add to Home Screen in those details so iOS prepares a web app style shortcut. Make sure the URL and icon preview look right, because that's what you'll tap from the home screen. Finish by tapping Add on the preview. The new icon will appear on your home screen and launch the calendar action when tapped. You can drag it into a dock or folder for fast access. If it doesn't run, make sure Shortcuts has calendar permission in settings and that the action is valid. Once permissions are fixed, rerun the shortcut. If problems persist, restart the iPhone or delete and recreate the shortcut to clear misconfigurations. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.